morning, students. Hope you are safe and well at your home. So, this is class 4 computer class, e-learning class. Hope you are enjoying. And this pandemic situation, you are safe also at your home. So the topic is input-output device. Actually, this is your book. This is your book, class 4, and the chapter input-output device. Learn to use Windows 10, Touch Paint, editing text in Microsoft Word 2010, formatting text in Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft PowerPoint, go with logo, writing procedure, multimedia. This is your syllabus. So, today we will start with input-output device. Okay. So, first of all, what is computer? Computer means compute. Computer, the words comes from compute. Computer, the word comes from compute. That means calculate. That means calculate. Okay? So, the calculating device, that means machine. Okay? The computer has mainly two parts. We know that hardware and software. Which is touchable, that is called hardware. Which is not touchable, that is called software. Clear? Okay. Now, what are the main function of computer? What are the main function? They are input, process, output. Input, process and output. Okay. So, short form is IPO. Input, process and output. Okay. Now, for the input, we need input device, and for output we need output device. Okay, and for processing we also need the processing device. Okay, device means the machine or the hardware. Okay, so today the first concept is what are the input device and what are the output device. Input device, that means in your book you also found that the input device, that is keyboard, mouse, scanner, optical mark reader, smart card reader, web camera, joysticks. These are the input device. What? The first one, keyboard. Keyboard. Mouse. Light pen. Keyboard, mouse, light pen. Next is scanner, optical mark reader, optical mark reader, OMR, optical mark reader, that is OMR, smart card reader, smart card reader. Smart card reader, web camera, joysticks. Web camera and joysticks. These are the input device. Scanner, the first one keyboard, lots of keys are there. Okay. Next class we will describe about keyboard, mouse, light pen, smart card reader, scanner with a PowerPoint presentation and some pictures. Okay. So just we define today what is keyboard. Keyboard, that means when we type, some keys are there, alphabet, number, functions keys. Okay. And the mouse. Okay. So mouse is a pointing device. Light pen, also we can draw a picture using light pen. Okay. Scanner, a document can be scanned using scanner. Optical mark reader we use in various examination. Okay. And smart card reader, debit card, bank debit card, that is smart card reader. Very good. Okay. And web camera, we fit web camera in our computer, and also light chat. Using this web camera we can light chat. The next one is joysticks, play games, movement. Also joysticks operation we perform using keyboard, up and down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay, in that way joysticks also works for playing games. This is the input device. Clear? Very good. I hope clear. So output device. Output device. First device is monitor. Monitor. In lab 1 we found the CRT monitor. In lab 2 also we can found the LCD monitor and the LED TV also in lab 1. Isn't it? Okay. I think you all miss lab 1 and lab 2. Isn't it? Okay. So the next one, speaker. Speaker, that is also an output device. Printer. Using printer we can print anything. Okay. So printer is also an output device. Output device shows the output of a particular task. Monitor, printer, speaker. Okay. Now processing device. It's a very important processing device. That means in processing device we can process anything which you have inputted into your computer. This is processing. Suppose you add two numbers 5 plus 5, then processing will be done in processing device. Okay. So processing device CPU. This is called brain of a computer. Central processing unit. Full form central processing unit. Okay. So central processing unit, it also divided three parts: ALU, MU and CU. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit. Anything which you are calculate, it goes to the arithmetic logic unit. Anything you can calculate. Anything calculating part always goes to ALU portion of the computer. Then memory unit. Whenever you store any file, it goes to memory unit. And the last one, control unit, which is related to control part, it goes to control unit. It manages all the operations of the computer, just like a traffic policeman. Okay, just like a traffic policeman. Police control the roads, safety and security. So it also controls the whole operation in computer. Okay, so how can it works? Look at it. It is input device. Next, it goes to the CPU portion. CPU are divided into three parts. Already told. The first one is memory unit. Second one, control unit. Second one, control unit. Third one, arithmetic logic unit, or we can say ALU. And the last one is output device. Output device. Now look at here. When you give some information to the computer through input device, we give some information to the computer. So from input device it goes to the central processing unit. It is CPU, central processing unit. Okay. If it is saved to the computer, goes to memory unit. If it is related to any calculation, then it goes to the arithmetic logic unit. And if it is related to control operation, then it goes to the control unit portion. After processing this operation, it goes to the output unit and display the result. Clear? Display the result. So whenever we give an input through input device, it goes to the CPU, central processing unit. It has three parts: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. After processing, it goes to the output device. Okay? So it is the working function of a computer. It is the working function of a computer. Next class, we will detail discuss about input device, output device, and processing device. Mainly input and output device. That means how keyboard looks, how mouse and scanner works. Okay, how smart card reader looks like. And output device also monitor, speaker, printer. Three types of printers are there. So this details class will be your next class. Okay. So stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much. Bye.